Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon. मुनव्वर हमीद मंगलवाला is here from पाकिस्तान. तो आज जो आपसे बात होगी वो बेसिकली एक क्वेश्चन में बात करेंगे जिसमें हम आपको ये बताएंगे कि किस तरीके से वी कैलकुलेट कैपिटल कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा. तो क्वेश्चन मैं आपके लिए पढ़ लेता हूँ. द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन इन अ बुक व्हिच इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. द फॉलोइंग इज अ लिस्ट ऑफ एसेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज ऑफ अ फर्म एट ए पर्टिकुलर डेट. देखिए, जब कभी हम अकाउंटिंग में डेट की बात करते हैं तो हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि अगर हमारा अकाउंटिंग ईयर शुरू हो रहा है जनवरी 1 से और हमारी रिपोर्टिंग हो रही है 31 दिसंबर को, तो ऐसे फाइनेंशियल ईयर को हम कहते हैं कैलेंडर ईयर. यानी आई एम ऑप्टिंग एक कैलेंडर ईयर. लेकिन अगर मैं जनवरी के अलावा किसी और मंथ से शुरू करूं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 फरवरी से शुरू करूं, तो जनवरी में अगले साल जो है वो ईयर खत्म होगा. इसका मतलब इसमें 2 ईयर हो जाएंगे, 2020 2021, 2022 2023. यू अंडरस्टैंड. ये जुलाई से शुरू करते हैं, जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर अक्टूबर नवंबर दिसंबर, ये 2023 के हो गए. जनवरी फरवरी मार्च अप्रैल मई जून ये किसके हो गए? 24 के हो गए. ठीक है. तो ऐसे वक्त को, ऐसे कैलेंडर ईयर को, ऐसे 12 महीने को, आशुष से ऐसे 12 मंथ्स को, what we are supposed to say? We are supposed to say that this is a fiscal year. So what we are supposed to calculate? We are supposed to calculate capital. In this question it says the following is a list of assets and liabilities of firm at a particular date. In this question he did not give us the date, but when we discuss about the date, it means we are saying that either our year is a calendar year, the financial year is a calendar year, or the financial year is a fiscal year. You get the point? So either we are using a calendar year or we are using a fiscal year. Now, the next thing. He says, premises owned by the firm. Premises is a non-current asset and the amount is 20,000. Premises 20,000. Money owed by the firm to its creditors. Money owed by the firm to its creditors. It means we are supposed to make the payment to some of our creditors. We did not, make the payment of the goods which we bought. Goods means inventory, stock, merchandise. Those goods we purchased for resale. Stock owned by the firm, it means this is inventory. At the end of the year, we calculate inventory in such a way that we call to storekeeper and he counts, physical counts, and then he let us know that what is the amount of inventory which we have. Loan received by the firm from a bank. So what was the stock? Stock was 8,500, premises 20,000, money owed by the firm to its creditors 3,000, stock owned by the firm 8,500, loan received by the firm from a bank 4,000, and cash in hand 100. So basically what exactly we are supposed to do? We are supposed to take all the assets together and then we are supposed to calculate the total of the liabilities, assets, resources, minus one source is liability and another source is capital. So when you deduct from one source, from one source, it means the another source is left. So what I am saying, we are supposed to calculate premises 20,000 plus stock 8,500 plus cash 100. 20,000 plus 8,500 plus 100, the total amount is 28,600. I repeat for you. Premises 20,000, stock 8,500 and cash 100. By this we are taking the sum of all of them, we are getting a number and that is 28,600. Now what are our liabilities? We have one liability which is due on us to the creditors, which is 3,000 and 4,000 is of a loan. 3 plus 4, 5 plus 2, 7. So we got 7,000. So what we need to do, 28,600, which is our total assets minus total liabilities, which is 7,000, we deduct from there and we get our answer, which is 21,600, which is 21,600, which is our capital amount. You understand? By this we calculated the capital. So this was today's question. and please pray for me that tomorrow I can also record a question for you. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum. Pakistan Zindabad.